Start by crushing half a pack of blue Doritos in a food processor until fine crumbs form, then set aside. Also, grate approximately 2 cups of cheddar cheese using the food processor. Set aside and prepare the pasta. You can use any pasta of your choice. Cook according to the package instructions and set aside when al dente. Now we can prepare the chicken. Cut approximately 500 grams of chicken into pieces. Also slice about 400 grams of mushrooms and set aside. Now place the chicken in a pot over medium heat and fry until golden brown. Add 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, salt to taste, and garlic salt. Then mix in. Once the chicken is cooked, transfer it to another bowl and set it aside. Then use the same pot for the rest of the ingredients. Now add the mushrooms and fry them until all their water has evaporated. Add 2 cloves of crushed garlic and fry for a few seconds. The moment you smell the garlic is when you add the stock. Add 1 cup of chicken stock and simmer on low heat for about 3 minutes. Now you can add 2 cups of fresh cream. Leave the sauce to simmer for about 5 minutes. It will thicken slightly as you go. Now it's time to add the best part. Add the 2 cups of cheddar cheese to make a delicious, thick cheese sauce. You can also add 1 cup of grated mozzarella, because why not? It's time to put the dish together. Add the cooked pasta. Then the chicken. After everything is well mixed, transfer to a baking dish. You still remember the Dorito crumbs? Time to bring it closer and sprinkle it over the pasta mix. Now in with a layer of grated cheddar and mozzarella cheese. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes or until golden brown. And there you have it, perfect pasta dish, full of flavor and so quick to prepare. Perfect for that busy weeknights. This dish is a must-try, and believe me, everyone will ask for more. Thank you for watching. Please comment and share. Until next time, enjoy your cooking.